How do you get the right janitorial insurance program set up for your business at the most competitive rate in the marketplace? We're going to show you how. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. Now, today we're talking about janitorial businesses that are going into either residential, habitational, or even commercial spaces and doing cleaning services, standard janitorial work. There are a few different coverages that you're going to want to consider in the vast majority of cases. First and foremost is general liability. Think third party, slips, trips, and falls, completed operations. So this is going to be your work at the time and the kind of any losses that could come in after you've completed your work. This is going to be the standard policy that you're most likely have or are being told that you need. If you get a certificate of insurance, in most cases they're looking for that general liability. They may also be looking for an umbrella and some other coverages, but the very first coverage anyone's going to request is general liability. You absolutely need this if you're a janitorial business. The second, if you have employees, is going to be workers' comp. If you have employees that are going into other spaces, which is basically the nature of janitorial work, so other people's spaces that they own or rent, you're really going to want to consider some sort of crime or fidelity coverage, because in this case, if your employees steal something of your clients, that's going to come back on you. It's not necessarily going to come back just on the employee. That could come back on your business. You're going to want to have crime coverage. So when you purchase your general liability, purchasing it in the form of a business owner's policy or a BOP would be the most preferred. Now, that's not always the case. Depending on the type of janitorial work you're doing, who your clients are, where you're located, sometimes you just need to get a strict general liability policy. But if you can get a business owner's policy, which is a package of coverages, that would be preferable because of all the ancillary coverages that come along with it, like crime. Potentially you can add in employment practices liability. A lot of times you can package in the workers' comp in with that same carrier, make your billing easier, things like that. If you're traveling to and from jobs and you own a vehicle through the business, then you need commercial auto. If you don't own a vehicle through the business, then you're going to want to add hired and non-owned auto liability to your general liability as an add-in. And the reason for that is when you're traveling between jobs or to jobs, if you get into a car accident in a vehicle not owned by the business and the insurance company of either your employee or yourself finds out that you were doing commercial work in that vehicle, i.e. traveling to a job or between jobs, that your personal insurance company can deny that claim. And if that comes back on the business, hired and non-owned auto is the coverage that you need. So my point here is there are a whole package of coverages that you need to at least consider and understand and make a decision on. It doesn't mean you have to purchase everyone, but you should be aware that they exist and understand what the pricing are for them. And if it makes sense, then you should purchase that package. If this is the kind of relationship you're looking for out of your insurance professional, someone who will take the time to explain this stuff to you, give us a call. We work in the continental 48 states of the United States. It's a weird way of saying that. And you can give us a call at 518-960-6600. If you're outside of the Northeast, you can call us at 855-960-6600. We have people who, our people, licensed pros, will walk you through the coverages you need, talk you through exactly how to make sure you get the coverage that's right for your business. You can also email us, gorogue@roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a link or a button somewhere around this video that will help you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.